Hey guys, welcome back to the Sledgehammer Performance channel. So today we are in Cedar Falls, Iowa at the annual Sturgis Falls Car Show. It's a cloudy day, a little bit chilly, and we're expecting some rain, but I hope that doesn't affect the turnout too much. So stay with me as I take some drone video, do a walkthrough, and take some still shots throughout this awesome show. I think we'll see a lot of nice rides, so stay with me.
Bound it down, load it up and truck it.
Elite music is fire.
Porsche. There is no substitute.
Best motorcycle. Best motorcycle goes to bike number 164, Rick Bauer, out of Waterloo, 2002 Indian Scout, Gilroy. Mayor's Choice goes to vehicle, I believe it's 155, Diane Gray, out of Waterloo, the 1970 Olds 442. The best Mopar was presented by Western Home Communities. Best motorcycle was provided by Silver Eagle, Harley-Davidson, Yamaha. Mayor's Choice, sponsored by Oak Ridge Real Estate, Dan Beauregard. Best foreign cars, our next category, sponsored by Pipax. That goes to vehicle number 114, Ben Odell out of Cedar Falls, the 2014 Porsche GT3 RS Lizard Green in color. Special interest trophy goes to vehicle 149. This is sponsored by Cedar Falls Community Credit Union. It goes to Steve Benham out of Cedar Falls. He's got the Ford Rat Rod 149. Moving on to the best non-Chevy. Trophy sponsored by Oak Ridge Real Estate, Dan Beauregard. 122, Dwight and Jan Wiedemeyer out of Sumner, the green AMC Javelin. Best Ford, sponsored by Witham Auto Center, goes to vehicle 136. John and Patty Gutchen, or Gecken, I can't read it here. Vehicle 136 out of Cedar Falls, Iowa, 1932 Ford 4-door. Best Chevrolet, presented by Community Motors, goes to 128. Dan Coles out of Waterloo, the 66 Chevelle, red one, I believe. Best Street Machine is presented by Community Motors. Vehicle 144, Vicky Hoffender out of Raymond, the 70 Chevelle SS, black and silver with ghost flames. Good looking Chevelle. Vehicle 109 is the Best Street Rod, sponsored by Western Home Communities. Rick Parker out of Waterloo, Iowa, Ford Little Deuce Scoop. We should have one trophy left, right? We're doing good. Best of Show is sponsored by Oak Ridge Real Estate. Dan Beauregard is the sponsor, and it goes to vehicle number 168. Mike Mills across Wisconsin, a Dodge GTS. So that concludes our show for this year. Same weekend next year. Very good.
Hey guys, we're back from the show and we're in the garage cleaning up the car after being rained on a couple of times, which certainly hampered the turnout at this show, but I'm estimating there was probably a little over 100 cars there, off and on. Some people left during the rain, some people came after, so a lot of nice cars there. And I am happy to say that the Corvette did win a Top 50 award, and I am super happy about that because I have not won a car show award in probably 15 years since I had my 87 Buick Turbo T, which used to win quite often. So this is great. Gives me more motivation to keep my car in the best condition I can. And we will see you guys at the next show.